All right, Dr. Gales, the floor is yours.
This week, the council approved a fifth amended health order as it relates to the spread of COVID-19. The amendment ties reopening to the number of people in the county who have received a COVID-19 vaccination. There will be 3 phases of this new order, and each will go into effect as the county reaches approved benchmarks.
We are seeing a lot of good news now that so many more vaccines have been made available to us, and that has changed everything. After over a year of fighting this virus, this is a significant milestone for our community.
The good news is the first phase will go into effect on Tuesday. That's because over 50% of county residents have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine. Some of the provisions of this phase include indoor gatherings can increase to 50 people and outdoor gatherings can include up to 100 people. Businesses that are currently at 25% capacity, including theaters, can increase to 50% and also sell food or drink for consumption while seated. When 60% of residents receive 1 shot, indoor gatherings can increase to 250 people with no limits outdoors, and most businesses will move to 75% capacity. And finally, when half of the population here is fully vaccinated, Montgomery County will follow the state's COVID-19 guidelines.
We are really here acknowledging a very important milestone. And it is important to recognize that, as it has been said, we would not be here without the cooperation of our residents and without their full understanding of why we had to make certain decisions. Listening to what they had to say, but also responding to make sure that we would address many of the inequities. So it is a very important day, but as we've also said, we still have quite some ways to go.
Reporting from Rockville, I'm Susan Kenedy.